All right, thank you, John. Well, there is a medical clinic in Mobile that's helping people in an unconventional way.
Oh, that's right. Well, they don't take any insurance at all, no Medicare or Medicaid or even Blue Cross.
And they don't rely on the government for any funding. As I've been telling you this week in my special reports, it's called Victory Health Partners, and the doctor who's in charge of it has reached out to the medical community in Mobile to help them treat patients who don't have insurance, but who don't just want a handout. We are here at Victory Health Partners in Mobile, and I've been taking you on a personal tour with this small little camera. I want you to see exactly what I'm seeing at this special place. And today, we're starting here at the office of Dr. Robert Lightfoot. He founded this clinic 12 years ago, and he has emphasized to me that he does not want this story to be about him. But let me tell you something, it has to start with him.
Most people call me Doc.
He quit his job as a surgeon to open the clinic that's not supported by tax dollars.
It's an awful business model when you look at it from a worldly standpoint. From God's kingdom, it's a great business model.
He's treating people like Ethel Russell, who lost her insurance when her husband lost his job.
How about yourself?
Okay.
They treat you with dignity, and I like that. And listen to your heart and lungs, okay?
Dr. Stacy Wing says the medical community in Mobile has been very willing to see Victory patients. She herself left a higher-paying job at Providence Hospital to work at Victory and see uninsured patients.
A lot of people thought I was crazy to leave the practice that I was in, but God makes up for that in other ways.
No doubt patients get great medical care while they're here at Victory, but what happens if they have advanced health problems and they need, say, a neurologist, a cardiologist, or even surgery? Well, there's a network of 150 doctors here in the Mobile area who have agreed to see these patients for a small copay. News 5 stopped by Alabama Orthopedic Clinic, where Victory patients pay a small copay to see a doctor.
I specialize in total joint replacement, total hip and total knee replacements.
Dr. Michael Granberry and Dr. Clayton Lane say they didn't hesitate to see these patients because most of them are not relying on a government handout.
I knew Dr. Lightfoot before he started Victory Health Clinic, and he was very good at involving most of us in his setting things up, and we were eager to do it with him.
By me coming in and donating my time and my skills and actually our operating room, the patient, knows that I'm all on board and I'm there just for them, and there's no other strings attached.
By the way, Victory is one of only a handful of clinics around the country that operates without tax dollars. It truly is the caring nature of the doctors and nurses in Mobile's medical community who have kept it running.
And we emphasize this is not a free clinic. You do pay something to be able to go there. But my question is, can we duplicate this model in other places?
No, it can be duplicated, and there are a few clinics here along the Gulf Coast, very few on a smaller scale that do this. But you really need a leader like Dr. Lightfoot, who left a booming surgical practice to open this clinic, and no one who works there makes a lot of money doing it. So it's truly what they feel is their calling.
Right. Well, it's an interesting concept, and we hope it keeps moving on for years to come.
Absolutely. It's like old-fashioned medicine. You don't have insurance companies getting involved. You don't have the government getting involved. There's no red tape at all.
Right.
It's people helping people.
All right. And no doubt a lot more people will probably be going to see them after this broadcast.